In a world obsessed with performance, stillness is treated like a flaw. We judge rest while applauding constant motion. Your body doesn't care about productivity. It seeks balance. Constant stimulation can lead to breakdown without pauses. The nervous system needs rhythm. Without pause, you may feel slower thinking, lower energy, and mood swings. Many essential cognitive functions happen during rest, allowing the brain to consolidate memories and settle emotions. Real rest requires disconnection. It's undirected time, allowing your brain the freedom to untangle stored thoughts. Low-level, ongoing stress prevents full recovery, leading to symptoms of overload like tiredness and short patience. Sometimes, reversing this means simply stopping, just allowing yourself to sit still, breathing, and being present. Building rest into your day leads to better focus, emotional regulation, and resilience. It's self-preservation. It may feel uncomfortable at first, but allowing pauses can lead to tangible shifts in well-being. Remember, efficiency isn't about constant motion. The pause is what keeps your system running at its best.